Hello, everyone. I'm Asmaa. Welcome to Shadowing with English Trisence. Let me ask you something. Do you understand English but feel nervous in simple conversations? At a cafe, at the supermarket, with a new friend? You know many words, you studied grammar, but when someone talks to you in real life, your mind suddenly goes blank. You start thinking too much, you try to translate, and the conversation becomes difficult. Do you feel that? That's exactly why we use the shadowing method. No complicated lessons, no long explanations, just real everyday English. Simple words, natural phrases, clear communication. Here is how it works. You listen, you repeat, you speak. That's all. With regular practice, daily conversations become easy. No more fear, no more stress, just natural English. Are you ready? Let's start shadowing. Think about this. When was the last time someone said, "Hi, how are you?" and you answered only, "Fine," because you didn't know what else to say? Or someone asked, "What did you do today?" and you froze? Today, we change that. Follow me closely. Shadowing practice 10 essential daily sentences. Listen and repeat after me. How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm just relaxing at home. I'm just relaxing at home. I'm just relaxing at home. That sounds great. That sounds great. That sounds great. How was your day? How was your day? How was your day? I had a busy day. I had a busy day. I had a busy day. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? Let's talk again soon. Let's talk again soon. Let's talk again soon. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Perfect. These are 10 golden sentences for everyday conversations. Simple, friendly, natural. This is how real people talk, and you are already sounding better. Real-life dialogue practice. Now we'll practice a real conversation. I will speak slowly and clearly. You repeat after me. Story. Two friends meeting at a cafe. I'll speak first. You repeat. Hi, how are you today? Now you repeat. I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm doing well. What are you doing these days? Now repeat. I'm working and studying English. That's great. How was your day? Now repeat. I had a busy day, but it was good. Would you like some coffee? Now repeat. Yes, that sounds great. Let's talk again soon. Now repeat. Of course. Have a nice day. Excellent. You just practiced a complete daily conversation in English. Not difficult, not scary, just normal life English. Role play time. Now we'll practice 2 rounds. Round 1. You are person A, I am person B. I'll pause. You answer out loud. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi, nice to meet you. How are you today? What do you do for work? That sounds interesting. Have a nice day. Great. Now switch roles. You are person B, I am person A. Let's begin. Hello. I'm good, thanks. I'm just relaxing today. Let's talk again soon. Goodbye. Amazing! You just handled both sides of a natural conversation. Feel that confidence? This is real progress. How to practice after this lesson. Repeat the 10 sentences every day. Use them with friends, use them at work, use them in real life. Shadow the dialogue many times. Speak out loud. Record yourself. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Focus on clear communication. Remember, you don't need difficult English. You need confident English. Right now, you might still feel shy. You might still hesitate. But little by little, you are getting better. Every time you repeat, your English becomes stronger. Soon you won't think, you will just speak. Real conversations are waiting for you. New friends, new opportunities, new confidence. And I'm here to help you. If you enjoyed this lesson, write in the comments, Asmaa, I'm ready to speak. If you're still nervous, write, I'm nervous, but I'll try. Either way, I will support you. See you in the next lesson with English Trisence.